Welcome once again to our behind-the-scenes look at the construction progress here at Shreveport Aquarium. You can see right now plenty of exterior work and some color and paint going on in the building. Let's go take a look inside, see what's been going on this week. As we come into the Wow Gallery, you can see that the overhead elements are being put in, along with a welcome sign. We've got water in both of the Wow Gallery tanks. Let's keep on moving through to the life support system. The soothing sounds of moving water is inside the life support system room because, of course, we've got water moving through right now. Let's take a look at some of this stuff in action. And the finishing touches are going on in the shipwreck gallery, where we can start putting down some of the planking and water in the shipwreck gallery tanks. And new this week, we've got some trees inside the decking for the dome on the bayou. As well as our water feature and super neat waterfall. Paintwork is being complete for Shore Explorer. Now this tank will be ready for water here in the next couple of days. And inside Contact Cove, mangrove trees being made. We've got our bait shack here where you can buy food to feed the sharks and the stingrays. Let's walk through and see what's going on in the submarine. Lots of cool stuff in the submarine underway. Our jelly touch tank almost ready. Our diving bell, our jelly donut, spider crab tank, our curator Nate. Moving along to our large jelly tank, just on the other side of our learning lab with our Touching Tomorrow today. Now moving into the Touching Tomorrow gallery, the retail store. All of this is empty and ready for a brand new floor coming in the first part of next week. We've had some staining going on the dining deck for salt. And then, look at that gorgeous bar. Let's take a sneak peek under the cardboard here. Isn't that gorgeous? That's going to be lit up along with those salt blocks on the wall. Salt is going to be an incredibly gorgeous place you to have a meal right here on the Shreveport riverfront. Parking lot and sidewalk work is being completed as we speak here on the north side of the building. We've got the lane of traffic open on Clyde Fant. Thanks to all for bearing with us on that temporary closure. This is where we're going to leave you today. Take a look at this gorgeous blue on the building. You'll be coming and seeing us here very soon. But we'll see you once again next Friday and every Friday after that until we open, giving you a sneak peek behind the scenes here at Shreveport Aquarium.